Hi, I'm Amana Azur. I'm staffing specialist with TemPositions Health Care. We're looking for great candidates like you to join our team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a behavioral health counselor position. A few of the responsibilities that you can expect from this role are serving as a case manager for each patient to ensure the services are coordinated to meet each assess's need, conducting therapy groups, assisting patients in the identification of problems, holding regularly scheduled sessions with all patients concerning their problems and psychosocial needs. If you have a bachelor's degree in human services field, 2 years of work experience in human services, along with minimum 2 years of satisfactory experience as a substance abuse counselor, and a K-16 certification, you could be a great fit for this role.
So we are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opening won't last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.